Hello, my name is Dr. Lloyd Tantalon. I'm a clinical psychologist, here today to talk to you about a very special patient of mine, Andy. I started treating Andy a few years ago for some mild depression and some anxiety he was feeling. I started him on my usual treatment, counseling, change of diet, exercise, which I think that's how you guys discovered Andy. Am I right? He was out walking?
So, I'm walking down the street one day, and this camera crew, well, you guys, came up to me and asked me if I'd be interested in having my story made into a movie. At first I thought, why not? Could be fun. Right?
Andy soon discovered it was not fun.
I hate you guys.
You see, Andy didn't realize what he was getting into. The film crew followed Andy everywhere and never left him alone.
Stop following me. Just leave me alone.
Andy's anxiety was worse than ever. He was completely unresponsive to the treatment regime I had prescribed.
Andy was all fucked up. Shit. Can I cuss on that?
Yeah, try to keep it, tone it down.
Okay, I'll keep it kid-friendly. Andy was a gosh damn mess.
Lee is another interesting case. Not interesting enough to have his own movie, but still interesting. Lee has spent the last 3 years truly believing he is Elvis Presley. He's actually pretty good.
I've known Lee for a few years now, and he's always been real supportive of my issues.
Yeah, that big dummy is always bitching. Blah, blah this, blah, blah that. Man, I just tune him out and imagine I'm back at Graceland. Hey, say, why don't you make a movie about me? I mean, I'm way more interesting than that. What is this anyways? One of those nature documentaries, the migration pattern of the great white turd?
Lee is what we refer to in the medical field as an asshole.
What? What do you guys want? Well, I mean, don't you have enough to make a movie by now? Is it hot in here? Are you guys hot? Can you get some water in here, please? You guys hot?
I have to admit, it was a little unnerving having a camera crew in here, but Andy's such a nice guy. We're willing to accommodate him. Hi, Andy. How are you today?
Okay, I guess. Maybe a little annoyed.
It's just such an interesting case. You see, Andy is his own film crew.
Stop following me.
You see, Andy has become so wrapped up inside his own head, he believes a film crew is following him and making a movie about the most important thing in Andy's world, which is Andy. It's all so very interesting. You see, on camera, Andy doesn't know how to act, but his inner ego will not allow him to stop filming. It is an amazing case that I have detailed in my new first book, The Subconscious Voyeur, which you can purchase after I finalize my deal with my publisher.
What's this doing here?
Andy is one of the...
Hello?
Who said that?
What the hell is this? What are you doing in here, Andy? Lloyd? Get out of here!
Oh, I guess this interview has been concluded. I'll just pack up my manuscript and take my leave.
Hey, put that paper back in my printer now. Then, both of you get out.
Hey, little mama, what's your thoughts on fried peanut butter and banana?
Bye, Andy.
Get out of here, you crazies.
There's no way I'm making a movie about you now. Alva sucks. Oh, man. Camera broke. Didn't sleep for the last 48 hours, just drank so much coffee to make this one.
How about a new one? I'll split it with you. And as your doctor, I can't recommend consuming that much caffeine, even if it is for the love of cinema.
Okay.